Hey, what's up you again guys? This is Paul from Maharlikans Code. I'm a web developer programmer by profession. I'm from the Philippines but working here in Singapore as a software engineer. And today I will walk through with you guys. We are still in this getting started with Golang and then this tutorial series so that we will know the basics of Golang programming language. So right now we have an interesting topic also. Actually, this is the very bare structure and ideal structure for your Golang project. Okay, so I will walk through with you guys on this, and let's dive into it. Welcome back, guys. This is our bare project structures here in Golang. But actually, this is a dynamic and a vibrant way of doing programming in Golang. Right now, I prepare at least few folders here, and then the main.go. As you can see, in Go, it is always a package. Every time there is a folder, like this cmd, right now it's empty, common or helpers or whatever you need to add here. This is what they call the cmd common. These are all packages, individual packages or internal package that you are using in this project. Assuming that this project is a Golang project folder, this is the main project folder name. As you can see when I open in my thing, like actually if this is my project, same with our Go copy last time. I have here cmd config, then the logs, and then the whatever. This vendor is a common for every Golang module programming language here. This is a built-in one when you do the config. And then all these guys, like assuming this is your main projects here. Then I have this folder, the cmd, but here is empty. But later on we will just add on, just for the demonstration. We have common. You can add multiple folders here. This folder you need to declare as a package. This is what we call the internal package within your own within this project. And then you always have one main.go. This is the ideal and best practice for Go. Each folders there or package, this internal folder, this is what they call the package. This is what they you should not have any main.go there. You should only have one main.go outside of all these internal folders here, all the packages here. We call it package. This folder is an individual package. This is a cmd package, common package, helpers, or you can add another one like a config package, all these things, guys. So right now and there is only one main also. So shall I say this is a main, and then func main, and then normally we do that, guys. So right now I will create a new module for Go. To execute a new module, right now as you can see, we don't have the vendors folder here. We don't have the go.mode, all these things, guys. So we need to declare. The command would be, this is your first thing to do after you declare all your internal packages, or they can add later on. This is the main thing before you do anything. Before you start programming with Go, you need to declare as a go mode init. Right now this is not a exportable package, as we have our previous video, guys, prior to this video, that we publish a package to GitHub. But this time is a main project. This is our own locally stored projects in our computer, and then we need to declare this as a local package, local project, I mean. So go mode init, what they call go mode in it. This name, shall we say this project is um go pro go prj, shall we say like this, guys? Okay, now as you can see, when I press enter, the go.mode has been created automatically for you. Here, don't touch this go.mode file. This will auto-populate for you guys. Every time the whatever package you're using, this will add on or append something, any package dependencies that you are using in your project. And then after this, right now we don't have the dependency yet. We will try to use the fmt.Println just to say something, guys, like hello world. It's a famous hello world here. We try to go run that main.go. You can have it here, guys. Yeah, as you can see the hello world here, or you can go to the cmd there and then navigate to this folder, as what we did in our last discussions here. This is our folders here. So right now I need to navigate to that and then go run main.go. You can do that always here also. As you can see the hello world there coming up. If we want to build, you just build. Golang will auto detect for you guys the thing. So right now the file also there, the goprj, whatever you declare in your project, the executable, this file will be created also, goprj.exe. This one is in the Windows mode. So if you build in the Windows, that's a good thing, guys, in Golang, because if you have one project, one code base, you can export your project into the Linux OS, Windows OS, Mac OS, Solaris, FreeBSD. All these, guys, you can export to any of these major operating systems that are available in the market there. So right now we are using this Golang. I really like Go because this is the main advantage of Go also. There are many advantages of Go, but this is what stand out for Go. And then in our series here in getting started with Golang, we will know more popular features of Go, which is the Go routines, the channels, and what do you call these Go routines? These are all the the concurrency in Go. This is very good. Go is having this tagline, or very well known for most of the developers, seasoned developers, that they can use Go as for concurrency purpose. This is the main purpose of this is to that has own, like, especially in this world, is a modern application, like the streaming, something like that it can affect multiple CPUs in one program, is something like that, guys. Like in this YouTube channel, that like a multiple chats or something, like a concurrency. At the same time, your program can multiply itself and then capture that serves as your own workers that can work alongside or together. Many workers, shall I say, it's workers that works for you internally, guys. So it can utilize your CPU, how many CPU that it can run with efficient memory. This is the thing, guys. So the main thing is this is our main structure here. So this main is, we only have this package main. It's a one source only. And then in helpers, for example, you need to create a new file there because we don't have yet. Shall I say there's my helper functions.go. And then I will declare this again as a package whatever. Again guys, I will inform you or remind you again that whatever your folder name there, it should be your package name, exactly the same. You can put a note also here on top so that this is what you call helpers. This is the main syntax guys for you putting some information. When you call these helpers, it will show again. So it should be the same name, helpers. Then this is the test sample. This is the test helper information about this helper package. Okay guys, I forgot guys, I need to put this package, the word. If you want to put the if you want to put the hint or the information of these package helpers, you need to declare the package itself, the package name, and then package, and then the short name like that. So when you call this, as you can see, when you hover it, the package helper is the then our information, the hint information is there. So this is very important. At least you know how to practice these guys, because this one is very helpful. Because even as developers, we don't know in the future when we look back again our code, and we try to understand again what is the purpose of these and whatsoever, any purpose. Then we will know based on our previous notes here. Then we will know exactly what is this package is all about. So whatever here, you can just declare any functions here, or you can just like func init guys. Then you can do anything. It's like that. Then you try something here like fmt again, all these things guys, and then you can see. Or you can create a new function here. There's a simple function, exportable function, like hello func. Then it will just return something like a string, just a simple hello only. Then I will just put some string as a string, return string. Again, I need to put these guys, hello function. Okay, just a sample guys. So I'm going to call here in our I need to declare a variable here guys. This one is a local variable guys. As you can see, if you put like this, you don't declare as a var or something. Var usually there's another way. Later we have this separate discussion about these variables guys, no worries. At the moment I'll just capture our time. Okay, I will need to call the function there. What is this function? Helpers. I need to declare the import here. Okay, hold on guys. You need to declare okay guys, this is the thing guys. You need to call the, for example, this is the s, and then we call the helper. As you can see, the HelloFunc is there. Then you press enter, then automatically the goprj, our project here guys, this is our project here. And then you can, as you can see, I also renamed the goprj structure because it's quite long guys, so I just quite captured our time. And then as you can see, the HelloFunc, the helper is there, the hint, the intelligence. So at least this is a very important guys. Then this simple function requires one argument, one parameter, which is a string. And then we just pass on the hello Maharlikans coders. Okay guys, so it's just this function will return whatever the function arguments here. Then we try to fmt.Println. This is the s. Here, okay, sorry, you need the s also. Then we run again, guys. You can build, but you can run also here from the console itself here. As you can see, guys, the s value is whatever we throw the strings here. Then I mean our simple helpers here. Then we can just call inside whatever you put. This is what they call the internal package, guys. Reside inside your what they call each folder structures here that you have like the cmd common. You can add multiple here, guys. Then how you declare is this, like this. This one is very useful because you need to organize your code and split it. Then you can just call these functions, these helper functions, whatever. You can add multiple files here also. Okay guys, this is one. This one, as you can see, I demonstrate already how to use the internal package in Golang. So this is how we structure our projects, individual projects here in code in Golang programming language. So this one is a very dynamic case because you can have multiple files here again, as like helpers, like for example another helper func something. It's up to you guys. This is just a sample file. Then again, every file you need to declare again as a package, and then helpers. This is the thing, guys. So anything you need to group another function here. You need to specify again the whatever function name, my func name, for example, guys. It's just a sample one. Then you can have multiple functions to organize your codes. This is just how you if you are undecided on how to put the comment here, you just put the triple dots there. Then it will just show my func name and then with the triple dots. This is the thing, guys. Okay, so again, if you want to use this, then the code here is like this. Whatever is your project name declared during the what you call the go mode init something, guys. So early on we declared this as a goprj, the module called goprj, and then this one will have our own goprj here also. Every time you call these internal packages, the cmd common config helpers, this time we demo with the helpers. So you declare as this, like you import like this, the project name, the module name, and then your what individual package name, which is at this moment is the helpers package. So and then you can use like helpers dot again. We can see two functions, guys, because this new helper func.go is still the same package name as declared in our here in the hellofunc. In this file we declare the same thing, package, and then another file under this helpers folder. There's another file name called helperfunc.go, but declared with the same package name. This is the structure, guys. You cannot declare another package name inside this folder. It should be all the same package name inside this folder. Please remember this, guys. This is the very important part, because maybe later on you declare another function name here like that. Then as you can see, it will throw automatically an error for us. It will auto detect the error. So as you can see, it will not proceed with that thing, guys. So Go itself will auto detect any possible errors there, so it can prevent the developers like us to have some mistake. Okay, guys, so this is how you declare. You can have multiple files here inside these package folders, which is the helpers, And then it's up to you. Well, whatever you structure here, you have a config here, you have the database or models or something. Any package you declare, you need to organize your code so that it's easy for us or easy for you to call every time you use this package. So these are all the things, guys, and I hope you enjoy our tutorial here in Maharlikans code. Okay, that's all for today, guys, and I hope you learn here in Maharlikans code. Like I know if you started Golang, or if you are a seasoned developer or a programmer, you know your own style of how you organize your folders and structures that capable of that can sustain and capable of adding more features into your own projects. And it's a how you call it, this is a very dynamic designs, as you know it, if you are seasoned. But if you are new developer or just started or a student, this is very helpful for you guys, because you need to start in a right way, so that we will be having this good structure and a good practice in our programming projects of here in the future also. So that's all for today, guys, and if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified if there are more videos like this here in Maharlikans code that we can learn, and then I impart with you my knowledge and sharing with you guys as I've learned here in as I work here in Singapore as a software engineer and developer. That's all for today, guys, and see you in my next episode series here in Maharlikans code. May God bless us all. Thank you, and bye bye.